customize your Facebook profile to make more sales and a higher impact in your business. We're going to talk all of those things today in this YouTube video. But before we get started, I just want to share, my name is Sienna Kopishki, and if you don't know me, I am a biblical sales coach, which means that I teach Christian entrepreneurs how to make more money in their businesses from a standpoint of the Holy Bible. My hybrid one-on-one and group coaching program, Consecration Academy, is currently open, which means that you can learn how to make more sales in your business by joining my program, linked in the description below. So now that we've talked about it, let's get to it. We're chatting all about your Facebook profile, so let's just go ahead and jump on into it. So this is what my profile looks like. You can see I have my profile picture, I have like my banner cover, and I'm going to talk to you about all of the important things. I want to say this. If you have watched my video on how to use Facebook and Facebook groups to make more sales, like how one of my clients made $7,000 with this strategy, it actually all starts here. So you really need to watch this video first. If you haven't watched that, finish watching this video all the way to the end and then go watch my video on how to actually make sales utilizing Facebook groups. But your Facebook profile needs to be specific, and this is not a business page. This is your regular Facebook page. I know some people are a little uncomfortable by this, but like if you are just using this for business, you're actually going to see that a lot of money is going to start being generated here just through your Facebook page. Do not sleep on Facebook. Do not sleep on Facebook groups. It is an easy way to make more money in your business. So I'm going to go ahead and jump on over to like the profile cover, which is this piece right here. So you can see this is how it looks on the actual screenshot of my profile, but this is my profile cover, and this is what I want you to have as well. So you'll notice a couple of different things. Number one, I have a really huge picture of myself because I want people to know exactly what I look like. This is me with straight hair. Obviously right now my hair is curly. It's been curly for a couple months now. But this is me with my natural straight hair. And then I put who I am. So you'll notice the most important thing that is on this photo isn't the photo of me or the photo of me in the background where I'm wearing like my mama sweatshirt, which is my literal favorite sweatshirt. If you see me on social media, I'm always wearing that one, where I'm reading the Bible in the back. My Bible's literally always open. Because I'm a biblical sales coach, it just made sense that I had a picture of me like reading the Bible, right, behind me. But I put exactly what I do, right? So in a very short way, three words or less, tell the people what you do. So for me, I'm a biblical sales coach, big, bold. You need to know exactly what it is that I do when you come to my profile. The same way when I go to your profile, I want to know exactly what you do. Like, are you a social media manager? Then it needs to say social media manager. You are an engagement specialist. You need to put engagement specialist. If you are an IT, I don't know, software rep person, you need to put that. If you are a life coach, you need to put life coach. If you, whatever you do in a maximum of 3 to 4 words max, 4 is the max, put what you do in very plain English. Then directly underneath that, you need to state exactly who you help. So you notice I put helping Christian entrepreneurs. Those are the people I work with. I work with men, I work with women. I really don't care. As long as you're a Christian, as long as you're an entrepreneur who wants to make more money, I'm going to work with you. What do I help you do? Well, I help you make more money in your business. Now for you, you may be, let's say you are a web designer. So your big words will be web designer at the top, and then directly underneath, you could say helping wedding professionals stand out online, right? You want to make it super clear, super specific, super easy. Nobody should go to your Facebook profile and be confused as to what it is that you actually do. We should know exactly what it is that you do and exactly who you help and exactly how you help them right there on your profile cover. Now, you may be tempted to add in your Instagram and all of the other things here, but I don't recommend it because this is not a clickable area. So because people can't click on your Instagram account or they can't click anywhere on your profile photo that will take them somewhere, I recommend just sticking to what it is that you do, who you help, and how you help them on your profile cover. Next, I want to talk about the profile photo. So I'm going to go back to what the profile looks like as a whole, which remember, this is what a profile looks like on Facebook. I want to talk about my profile photo. So we're zooming in real close. This is my profile photo. It is a black background of me. I made it this way. This photo was actually taken, and the original photo is blue background. It is my entire house is blue. I have a very blue inside of my house, right? This is my office. You'll notice in the very beginning of the video, I was in my living room, and my living room is also blue. My entire house is blue, so I was standing in my living room, and I had this like dark blue background behind me. I just edited the background. I completely removed it. I put myself in a black background, even though I'm wearing black clothes. Why did I do that? So this way I stand out and not my background. You want people to know exactly who you look like. You want a clear, up close photo of your face that is going to fit in a circle, because Instagram and Facebook both utilize the circle on their accounts, on their profiles. So it's really incredibly important that you make sure that you have a photo where your face, your beautiful face, fits directly into a circle, and you can see that mine does right here, right? So people need to know what you look like. So now I want to talk about your intro, because this is where, in your intro, this is exactly where people can click on things, and why you need to have your information here and not in your profile cover, because they can't click on anything there. So we're going to go on ahead to the intro. So in the intro, you can see I have my website here. So it says visit siennakopishke.com to learn all the ways that we can work together. That is all you really need in your intro. Your intro needs to be a call to action. Now, if I wanted to put my Instagram, if I wanted to put my YouTube, if I wanted to put my TikTok, which is going away soon, if I wanted to put, unfortunately, in January of 2025, I'm recording this and it is December 15th of 2024. If I wanted to put Lemon 8, whatever, you can add those things here as well. I don't have them because my only goal is to get you off of Facebook and onto my website so we can make sales, right? The same way like your goal should be to make sales as well. You want people to go exactly to where they can learn more about you and all the ways that they can make more, like you can take them to make sales. So I have a very clear call to action, which is awesome because a lot of people will click this link directly in my intro. Next, I have my bio that follows underneath it. So in your bio, you want to make sure that you fill this out. The legal name of my business is called The Mommy Agency. Now, in my profile, it says digital creator, business consultant. I do have who I'm married to. I just blocked it out for the purposes of this YouTube video because I may remove that off of Facebook, but my husband and I are very well connected. He's my best friend on Facebook. And then I do put how I pronounce my name because a lot of people are confused on how to pronounce the name Sienna. That's fine. If you need to do that as well, just make this as personal as possible. My website is also down here, so I might make this a more direct link in the intro, like visit siennakopishke.com / like Consecration Academy or whatever it might be, wherever I want to take them. So just know your links can go in your bio as well. Now, I want to talk about a section that is really important. And this is called your featured section. This is what a feed looks like. So ignore the whole we listen and we don't judge. That's my actual feed, not as like a reel that I created and I made that was posted onto Facebook. But you'll notice that it's kind of hard to read, but it's kind of hard to see. But if you are on a desktop or on a mobile, it'll be easier to like see it. This right here, this screenshot where it has like the blurred out and the thing, that is a screenshot of a testimonial that a client sent me. So I like to add my testimonials in this area. I only have 2 so far on Facebook. I need to add more, like things that people have sent me, things that clients have sent me, wins that clients have had. I think it's important for me to capitalize and put my wins here so people can see like what I'm doing and if I actually am making an impact in other people's businesses, which I have been. I've served, I don't even know how many clients I've served in my business, way too many. And I love it and I'm grateful and I'm blessed. And so the same with you, like show your wins, right? If you are a web designer, this is where you're going to show websites that you've created. If you are a social media manager, this is where you're going to show analytics of like high performing content that you've created for your clients. If you are whatever it is that you are, you want to add in your featured section photos of things that prove that you are good at what it is that you do. This is going to build your social proof, which actually allows more people to connect with you and buy from you and trust you. And that's really it. Once you have these pieces set up, your banner at the very top, your profile photo, right? Make sure your name on Facebook is your actual name, please. I cannot tell you how many people lie about their name. You have your intro and you have your featured section. Now it's going to be time for you to start developing content, which we will talk about in another video. you just watched my video on how to optimize your Facebook profile in a way that is going to help you make more sales and more money. I am so excited for this journey that you're going to be on. I just want to encourage you to join Content Creation Academy, which is linked below in the description. Content Creation Academy is a hybrid one-on-one and group coaching program that teaches Christian entrepreneurs how to make more money in their business from a standpoint of biblical sales. With that being said, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and help me grow so more people can make more money. When one person wins, we all win. I'll see you in the next video.